My day typically starts early. Usually around 6 a.m. I wake up to the sound of my alarm, groggily but determinedly dragging myself out of bed to kickstart the day. The first order of business is to get the kids ready for school. This involves waking them up, making sure they brush their teeth, and helping them pick out their outfits for the day. Once the kids are up and about, I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I aim to provide a nutritious meal that will give them the energy they need to tackle the day ahead. Whether it's scrambled eggs and toast or a ball of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit, I strive to start their day off on the right foot. After breakfast, it's time to tackle the morning rush. I help the kids gather their school bags, double-check that they have everything they need for the day, and usher them out the door to catch the school bus. Seeing them off safely is always a relief, but it also marks the beginning of the next phase of my day, balancing work and household duties. With the kids off to school, I shift my focus to my professional responsibilities. I work from home, which offers me the flexibility to juggle my career with my duties as a homemaker. I spend the morning attending to work tasks, whether it's responding to emails, attending virtual meetings, or working on projects. I try to stay focused and productive, knowing that I have a limited amount of time before the kids return home. Around midday, I take a break for lunch. I try to keep it simple yet satisfying, often opting for leftovers or a quick salad. This break gives me a chance to recharge and refuel before diving back into my tasks for the afternoon. In the afternoon, I might tackle household chores or run errands while also keeping an eye on the clock, knowing that the kids will be home soon. This could include grocery shopping, tidying up the house, or doing laundry. I find that spreading out these tasks throughout the week helps to keep the household running smoothly without becoming overwhelming. As the afternoon turns into evening, I eagerly await the return of my children. When they arrive home from school, I greet them with open arms, eager to hear about their day. We spend some time catching up while they have a snack, sharing stories and laughter as we reconnect after a day apart. After snack time, it's time to tackle homework and after-school activities. I help the kids with their assignments, offering guidance and support as needed. Depending on the day, this might also involve shuttling them to sports practices, music lessons, or other extracurricular activities. Once homework is done and activities are wrapped up, we gather as a family for dinner. I aim to make mealtime a special occasion, whether it's trying out a new recipe together or simply enjoying a home-cooked meal around the dinner table. This is a time for us to bond as a family, sharing stories and making memories that will last a lifetime. After dinner, we might spend some time together unwinding and relaxing. This could involve playing games, watching a movie, or simply enjoying each other's company. I cherish these moments of togetherness and use them to strengthen the bonds within our family. As the evening winds down, it's time to start getting ready for bed. I help the kids with their nighttime routines, making sure they brush their teeth, put on their pajamas, and settle down for the night. We might read a bedtime story together or have a quiet chat before saying goodnight. Once the kids are tucked in and asleep, I finally have a chance to relax and unwind. Whether it's curling up with a book, watching TV, or simply enjoying a quiet moment alone, I savor this time to recharge and reflect on the day's events. Before I head to bed myself, I take a few moments to tidy up the house and prepare for the day ahead. I lay out clothes for the next day, pack lunches, and make sure everything is in order for another busy day. And as I climb into bed, I feel grateful for the love and laughter that fills our home, knowing that tomorrow will bring new adventures and opportunities to cherish with my family.